literally just woke up.
I woke up too.
And then I hear, aw shit, and I'm like still like with
Shut up. Bro! We got a 6-hour drive ahead of us. Nina's behind the camera. Bennett is back there. Bunzer. Speak up! Breakfast. I don't know what we're doing. I'm doing something bad.
I don't know why.
What's up, guys? So we're in Los Angeles. About to make a really bad decision.
What are you talking about?
Bro, we're in
What do you mean Los Angeles?
You're like, fool, we're in SF right now. You bum. I'm straight posting because I'm. Yeah, turn the motherfucking music down unless you don't want to monetize your videos and you want to be a broke ass bitch and you want to cop more E36s.
Why you say I'm not copying anything, bro? I'm not even getting anything. Damn.
Damn, the whip broke down.
Get the fuck out of the street.
Get the fuck out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft.
It's definitely slow.
That shit crazy. We've been driving for like 8 hours.
How do you feel?
I'm very tired and my ass hurts. Like, genuinely. We got a trailer. Yeah, we're waiting on the guy now. We're gonna go to his house. We're leaving with something. I'm super tired though. I don't think I'd ever do this again.
Yeah.
At least not for an E36.
Pretty excited to see what it is, though.
Yeah, I'm really nervous. I'm scared. I'm hoping for the worst.
This did stress the fuck out. But sorry, halfway there. Halfway point, 50%.
We're either driving back with an empty trailer or a car, baby. Let's see it.
I'm tired. And I haven't driven yet.
Do you want to drive the truck and trailer?
Yeah.
Why am I laughing? That's not funny.
Women can do a lot of stuff. Fitted? What are you wearing, Benny?
Yeah, how much your outfit cost?
Right here. Supreme limited edition, blue.
Yeah. Word?
$2,000.
Shit! Alright,
Yo,
shoot.
You already know how it is. Got the Converse on tonight. Velcro.
Shit! What's the merch? What's the merch?
80. This is Fasinki.
Damn.
$80 right
That
here.
brand new, huh?
Yeah, brand new. Brand
Hat.
spanking
What's
new.
the hat? What's the hat? What's the fitted? What's the fitted?
Oh, we got fucking Starbucks right here. $80.
Damn, my boy Flex though.
Hey, we got the Hanes boxers.
A little TMI.
$5
Damn.
for one pair. Hey, what about you?
What about me? Simple fit, $1,300.
All right.
Yo, my lingerie,
Hey, bro.
$900
Hey, bro.
underneath this.
That was so unsatisfying.
It wasn't it? You take a shit or what?
Yeah.
Hey.
Post shit.
Would you rather have a gay son or a thought daughter?
Or would you rather have a gay son or a thought daughter?
Gay son.
That's my son right there. Let's go, gay son. Hey, Munzer, come here. What does your shirt say, bro?
Hey, Munzer. Got my daughter right here. Smash her pass.
What? What's the fit? What are you wearing today?
Alright, so I'm wearing some red Converse, some off-loan Dickies. V-Loan. And then this stolen shirt from Reeves.
What does it say, bro?
Old car guy.
Old car guys. That's what it says. There you go.
Old car guy.
I'm proud of this kid.
I'm fucking tired.
I don't feel good about this.
Yeah, I got $10,000 cash right here.
We're wearing the same
Bro,
shirt.
You're not even making that big of a
Me and my
purchase.
stepsister. What do you mean I'm not even making that big of a purchase?
Bro, $2,500 isn't shit, dude. Like you
Dude,
could.
you bought a car for $500. Shut the fuck up.
Exactly.
Let's start a fire.
What?
Wait, I can't be seen holding this.
Yes, Yoda!
I mean, yeah.
Style.
Proud.
Okay, experience. How do you feel right now?
Almost immediate buyer's remorse here. I just bought I bought a Vert E36. Benny, good buy, bad buy.
Benny and Yoda.
Potential. It's got potential. I
Okay.
think in a
It's got
couple months, you could flip this thing for $6K, make it $4 grand.
Definitely, after putting that starter in, EHAB's probably gonna feel some relief. You know, the motor runs, all that.
Get it cleaned up.
And then once we get that wheel bearing on, we do drifts. I think EHAB will feel like he got his money worth.
Yeah.
And then I also think the paint, like that paint is pretty, like you could argue that paint's scratched up and shit, but it's definitely better than any car we've bought.
It's better than most.
Yeah,
It can be corrected.
Yes.
I was looking at it. It can be corrected.
Like the fenders are shot.
Yeah.
and everything that it needs is junkyard easy to find. Like all the interior, definitely gonna find it at the junkyard because it's just tan garbage E36. The outside, it needs some clips if I care to fix it, you know. But honestly, I think it's a cool flip if we get it running. Yeah.
Definitely a flip. Originally, I was like, okay, if the fenders are rolled, I'm not gonna keep it. Fenders were fucking rolled, and I'm not keeping it. But I think it's got potential to like be enjoyed as like a kind of a missile for like a temp missile kind of thing.
It's a 2.8.
It's 2.8 ZF. I might take the ZF out of it. I don't know, dude. But once I take all the shitty stickers off, clean it up, wash it,
Get it running pretty.
probably get a different window in the rear, I'll be fine. I'm not super happy about it though.
Drift car.
Wait, why are we recording with the windows down?
How's it going? Oh, he's getting it.
Where'd Benny go?
Oh, he went inside to get water. What are you doing?
It's pretty clean. Give me this.
Oh, here it's recording.
So it is most def. Oh fuck, y'all can't see that. A ZF. Dope. And then honestly, not too bad. Leaking oil pan. Not gonna fix that. It's got cats on it. That needs to be hooked up. But yeah, not too bad. All in all.
We trying to get funny clips. We are in the windy city of.
Nebraska.
Oh.
Oh, so these fenders, it's so windy. I don't know if I mean, they got a sock on here. These fenders are so shot. Got to get new ones.
That looks so whack.
This grill is dented right here, which sucks. It's got shitty stickers all over it.
Yeah, independent.
Whack. But the paint is not bad. It's better than most E36s I've seen. I think there's a lot of potential here. Yeah?
You find any sponges, bro?
Did I find any sponges?
Yeah, we're gonna wash it right now.
No, we're not washing it right now.
I'm gonna drink
I thought
that
we were
water.
gonna wash it right now. What the
No,
fuck?
I need to wash it. I need to drink it. We're gonna get rid of these.
$80 an hour to wash it.
These are fucking disgusting, bro.
Yeah.
These are like what, Benny? They're like.
Don't do this.
Oh,
They're
this
like
is black
black
Air Force activity, bro.
Oh, he straight up just like covered this and went. What the fuck, bro?
Hey, we got a lot of brake pad in the front.
Yo.
We got a lot of brake pad in the front. We're chilling, bro.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, this thing's cute.
Drink your water.
It's cute. And it's definitely a ZF as well.
It's junk.
It's definitely a ZF as well. Clean that up. Water boy.
Stop! You're so mean.
This thing's such a piece of shit. I'm so upset.
So gross.
It's so windy. It's so windy. We need to go home. Hey, do not drive 8 hours out of your way to go get a car. Unless it's like something special. I feel like I could have got this in LA.
There was one in LA.
There was one in LA. Yeah.
Hey.
It's not about the destination. It's about the journey with your friends.
This is a life lesson that we're learning right now. Like, we are experiencing this. In a month, we're gonna be like, fuck no, I'm never going to do that. Or we might say, oh, that was like the time of my life. Fucking getting it in my eye and everything.
Damn, you cleaned up nice.
It dries up a lot because of the wind, so I'm trying to keep it like.
Beamers on beamers on beamers on beamers on beamers on beamers on beamers.
It's windy and hot. I have to drive right now.
Good luck.
Trying to go sleep, man.
I literally just woke
I woke up too.
and then I hear, aw shit, and I'm like, still like, what's happening? And then the fucking lights come on, and I'm like, ah.
You was just standing at the corner of this.
I literally just woke up, like, with the
I got a new car.
Hey, tone it down.
So here is the new E36 that we got last night. Just a quick rundown of everything wrong with it. The interior is a little crusty. We have this really sus switch right here. This very well done manual top swap. Lots of missing trim. Lots of missing screws. Let's say we were on our way to being absolutely riced. Yep. That's not cool. A little bit of clear coat here. 6 stickers. This dent right here. This actually happened last night on the trailer. This and these BBS's. Oh, and this amazing fender pull. It's not running because of a alleged starter. I have the tools on me to do this. Oh, fuck me, it's not gonna fit under the car. Let's see. Bruh.